My name's Andy Wood, or Andrew, but I go by Andy. I'm a new transplant to Kelowna. I just moved up here in September. And the bad news is, for some people in the audience, perhaps, I'm a lawyer. I make that confession as a starting point. I am a partner and lawyer in the law firm Harris Company. It's a Vancouver-based law firm. What you are looking at before you right now is Harris Company's Kelowna office. Moved up here to open an office here, and I'm working on my own with the pleasure of working in this building. It's wonderful. Harris Company, I'll start with a little bit of information about our firm. Harris Company is about a 55-lawyer firm in Vancouver. It's a regional firm. We pretty much only practice here in British Columbia. And the focus of our practice is workplace law. So we represent employers in all aspects of workplace law. And we have another sort of niche area practices of education law and litigation, commercial litigation for the most part, and First Nations law. So that's the scope of our practice. We represent exclusively employers with this little bit of an exception in the employment area. My practice, which is very unique here in BC, more common in other parts of the country, but in BC, I'm one of just sort of a handful of lawyers. I practice in occupational health and safety law. So the most of the time I spend my practice representing employers who have problems or issues in the health and safety field in the workplace. So I'll be responsible for giving proactive advice on safety issues, but the lion's share of my practice, and it's something that I hope none of you ever come to me for, but I want you to know that if you ever need what I do, you know who I am. And that is, I deal with a lot of very serious workplace accident cases. So often I'll get retained when there are either deaths on the job or very serious incidents that could have resulted in fatalities. And my job at that point is to assist the employer responding to the regulators, dealing with WorkSafe BC if they're provincially regulated, or the federal regulators if they're federally regulated. It's challenging work. It involves a lot of crisis management. And it's something that I really enjoy doing, and I'm glad to be able to start doing it here in Kelowna. So with that in mind, I don't want to have Otavio's hook come out and grab me by the neck and yank me off the stage. But thank you. I'm looking forward to meeting you all after the presentations. Thank you very much.